Want to know how to answer and end calls using physical buttons on your Samsung Galaxy A25? So, as a first step, we would need to open our phone application and here click on these three dots at the right upper corner, but also make sure that you are on the right tab, which is named keypad. So click on it, here go to the settings, and here we would need to choose answering and ending calls. And yes, as you can see here, we got these two options, which is press volume to answer calls and press side button to end calls. So I have enabled them, and now let's test it. To accept a call, we would need to click on the volume up button. And as you can see, the call has been successfully accepted. And now we have the second option, which is end call with the help of power button. So I'll click on it and the call has ended. And this is a really easy way to manage your calls without touching the screen. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.